Woke up late one evening, you weren't in bed, and I felt so cold and alone. Fear rushed through my head. It felt so eerie, like a picture torn in half, a silhouette divided. Chill ran down my back. Waking up alone is like being in a bad dream, a nightmare of home, not really happening. Oh, but it was the horror of darkness, fear of not knowing. Miles away the towers were burning, lighting up the sky. Years ago the treetops glistened, the minstrel asked why. So I ventured from my bed, cutting through night's darkness, wondering what laid ahead, losing sense of the farness. Oh, then I found you in a world of your own. I put my arms around you, brought you home. This is a song called World of Push and Shove, and we also call it Busted Flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what if we're busted flat? We haven't got money to feed the cat. All that I know is I love you. We started out together, and well, you know, we waited stormy weather. Now with a baby and a little more love, we live in a world of push and shove. So what if we're busted flat? We haven't got money to feed the cat. All that I know is I love you. I don't have a castle for a home. Every day while I'm working, you'll be alone. Just you and the baby, and a little more love. You and I and our baby, in a world of push and shove. I wanna give you